Hi everyone, have a good day. So, welcome to this video. Here we are going to see about using shell scripting, how we are going to enable the virtual environment for Jupyter Hub, Jupyter Notebook. So, let's go into the video. So, first I am switching into my shell scripting folder, and I have created previously these are the things. So, I need to use touch command create a new shell element. This is a Python underscore virtual in underscore environment setup dot sh. So this is what the file, and after that, so I'm using nano to open this in underscore virtual environment sh. So now it brings this environment of the then things. Okay, let me get into this file. Check it in the patch. I'm going to open the cat command. Such. So it is having a forward slash bash. The same thing we have to use the same bash. Okay, I need to use the bash script here. So same way I'm going to use it here also. Slash bash. And for this virtual environment, I have already created as previous video. I need to use the last four steps. So first I need to use virtual environment, this command, create a new virtual environment. And then next step is to activate this virtual environment using source command. This will activate the kernel shell for the Python virtual environment, and then PYP install Python. Then finally opening this Jupyter notebook. So until this, if we keep executing this file, it will create a new virtual environment. If the time goes on, you can add that date command also here, and then I mean, like so many aspects you can able to create this kind of environment variable, and then that will be more useful. So instead of you keep writing every command one by one, you can create like a shell script like this, and then it will create a step-by-step instruction. So if I want to save, first I want to exit and keep yes option and enter. Now I need to make it as a executable mode. For that, ch mode, change mode, press X becomes an execution option, py underscore virtual underscore environment. So this will become an executable format. Now if we put dot slash backward backslash and py underscore virtual underscore environment to research. Now it is enabled that virtual environment, and after this installing it activated, and then it installing the Jupyter notebook, and then finally it will open that notebook once it is finishes. So now it is finishing the Jupyter book installation. Now it is going to open the environment. It's completed. Yeah, finally it is open. So whenever I want to, uh, I just come here and then execute this shell script. That's enough for me. Instead of I doing like one by one instruction, and then keep writing it. So that's all from this video. See, it's like an automation. Automatically creates an environment, and then it keeps adding that values. So thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.